how to add APIs to Base44. Load up Base44, then click on Apps in the top left corner, and you just want to find the app or website which you want to add an API to. Once you have selected your app or website, then here at the top we want to click on Dashboard, and then you will go and select Settings. And the first thing that I suggest doing is going into App Settings and seeing if backend functions are enabled here. If it says activated, then good, we can proceed. Now we will go into integrations, and you have the option of either connecting or using an external API, and here directly choosing it from the list, or what we can do is to click on MCP connections, click on manage, then you will choose add custom MCP. The name you can leave blank, and then the URL is going to be important, so here you will paste your API, and here it's going to show you the authentication, whether it's required or not. You can also add a custom header. Afterwards you'll just click on test and add here, and once this is tested and confirmed to be working, then it is going to be integrated with your Base44 project. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.